Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Honda Accord's maintenance light. First, find the trip odometer reset button on your dashboard. Next, turn your ignition key to the on position, but do not start the engine. This initial step prepares your vehicle for the reset procedure. It's a simple process that applies to many Accord models, ensuring you can clear that pesky light yourself. Now, with the ignition on, firmly press and hold down the trip odometer reset button. Keep holding it for at least 10 seconds. You'll notice the maintenance light on your dashboard will start to flash. Continue holding until the light completely extinguishes. This indicates the system is recognizing your reset command and preparing to clear the warning.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. Quick recommendation. On another note, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. You can find the link for these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Once the maintenance light turns off, you can release the button. To confirm the reset was successful, turn your ignition off, then restart your engine. The light should now be off. If for any reason the light reappears, simply repeat the entire reset procedure from the beginning. Sometimes it takes a second attempt to get it just right. It's important to remember that this maintenance light is simply a reminder for scheduled service, like oil changes. Resetting it after your service prevents unnecessary warnings. This light is distinct from your check engine light, which indicates a more serious issue. Clearing the maintenance light ensures your dashboard accurately reflects your vehicle's service status.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.